VERYARK is a Hong Kong company. It has 13 years of experience in syringe pump manufacturing. For many years, VERYARK has dedicated its research and development to closed-loop systems for anesthesia. Concert CL is a triple-channel syringe pump combining both closed-loop systems for sedation and muscle relaxant, and one more channel for TCI infusion. It allows anesthesiologists to control 3 different drugs in one device. With this single device, it is possible to fulfill the anesthesiologist's main needs for modern balanced anesthesia. Channel A contains the closed-loop sedation infusion system. It controls a patient's depth of anesthesia through real-time feedback from bispectral index monitoring. And it is capable of maintaining optimal sedation levels, bispectral index values from 40 to 60 throughout the whole operation. Channel B contains target-controlled infusion function, both plasma and effect sites, plus normal flow rate function. Channel C contains closed-loop muscle relaxant infusion system. It controls closed-loop muscle relaxant infusion through real-time feedback from train of 4 stimulation. The level of neuromuscular block is maintained under a cutoff value defined for a given surgery. Anesthesiologists can mix opioids and muscle relaxants according to patient and operation needs. Now mount the syringes onto the device. Propofol in channel A, opioids in channel B, muscle relaxant in channel C. Before placing electrodes for monitoring muscle relaxation, use alcohol to clear the patient's skin. Place electrodes 2 to 3 centimeters apart over the ulnar nerve at the wrist. Attach conductors to both electrodes, black one distal, red one proximal. Place thermometer on patient's adductor pollicis and use a plastic tape to secure it. Place mechanosensor firmly between the index finger and thumb and use a plastic tape to secure it. Connect cables to the device. Connect bispectral index monitor to Concert CL with an RS-232 cable, which has both female and male ends. Switch on the device to set the parameters. There is a blue icon on the bottom right-hand corner to indicate when the connection has been made successfully with the bispectral index monitor. First enter patient's data, gender, age, height, and weight. Then select infusion mode for channel A and B. Select calibrated or non-calibrated mode for channel C by turning and pressing the knob, then press next to the infusion screen. Select drug for each channel by pressing different channel buttons to switch between channels. In target-controlled infusion mode, adjust set CP for plasma concentration, set CE for effect site concentration at the beginning for induction, and also for drug concentration for channels A and B. In order to work with the closed loop for sedation on channel A, you have to select CP in target-controlled infusion mode, preferably using the Marsh model. Press channel buttons to switch pages within the same channel to adjust different parameters. Press channel C button to switch to channel C, then select and confirm the type of muscle relaxant in use: rocuronium, cisatracurium, atracurium, or vecuronium, by pressing and turning the knob. Use the knob again to put concentration of the muscle relaxant in use, drug amount in milligrams, and the volume of liquid used for dilution in milliliters. There is a default setting for induction, infusion rate, venous patency rate, and cutoff value for the calibrated mode, and a default setting for simulation current for non-calibrated mode. Press Start for induction for channels A and B when ready. For calibrated mode in channel C, first press the calibration button for calibration once the patient has lost consciousness or the bispectral index value has dropped under 60. During the calibration, the device will find a suitable simulation current for the patient. Then use this suitable simulation current to find the baseline to compare every T1 value in order to get T1%. Press Start for induction after calibration has completed. For non-calibrated mode, simply press Start to begin induction. Once the train of 4 ratio has dropped to 0, then the anesthesiologist can perform intubation. The closed loop for sedation will start once the bispectral index value has dropped below 60. The system will analyze the trend of the bispectral index for 2 minutes. If the bispectral index trend is increasing, the system will increase the propofol target concentration automatically. If the bispectral index trend is decreasing, the system will decrease the propofol target concentration automatically. The ultimate goal for the closed loop system is to maintain bispectral index values at 45. The device will also monitor patients' muscle relaxation levels every 20 seconds throughout the operation. It is also possible to perform a PTC to see how deep the muscle relaxation is. The device will automatically infuse the muscle relaxant once it has detected 3 values equal to or above the cutoff value. The device will stop the infusion after it has detected 2 values below the cutoff value. Anesthesiologists can review a trend diagram for both sedation and muscle relaxation by pressing the trend button and turning the knob to switch between pages. Press channel B button to adjust set CP or set CE for opioid target concentration in channel B, according to patient needs. By the end of the operation, according to the kinetics of the drugs the anesthesiologist has used, he can press the stop button to end muscle relaxation infusion, keeping propofol running and maintaining or changing opioid concentration. The device will keep monitoring patients' muscle relaxation levels. The anesthesiologist can stop propofol infusion once the patient's muscle relaxation level has recovered to train of 470. The anesthesiologist can perform extubation once the patient's muscle relaxation level has recovered more than train of 490. Any brand of syringe in the world can be used with this device due to our syringe calibration function. First, enter the setting page, then select Syringe Calibration. Mount the syringe onto channel A, then follow the steps indicated on the screen to perform syringe calibration. In order to use the calibrated syringe, enter the setting page to select User as the syringe brand. All infusion data will be automatically stored in the system, and the anesthesiologist can download the data to their computer with a USB flash drive. Plug the USB flash drive in at the back of the Concert CL. Switch on the device and enter the setting page by turning and pressing the knob. Select Save to USB flash drive, then select Save. Save the data to your computer and open it with the corresponding program provided by VERYARK. You can review all the infusion data in the software, as well as the trend diagram for the whole operation. For Channel A's data, the software will calculate median performance error, median absolute performance error, and the wobble and global score for you to provide convenience in your research. During the operation, let the machine control the sedation and muscle relaxation levels for you while you are giving the anesthesia. The device helps you to manage inter- and intra-individual variabilities in response to hypnotics and muscle relaxant drugs. The monitoring display will indicate the best moment for the intubation or for the extubation. Concert CL will improve the quality of clinical anesthesia practice. A better management of muscle relaxation and recovery from the effect of muscle relaxant drugs will prevent some pulmonary complications. Reversal is fast, being as the patient is maintained at all times within optimal surgical hypnosis and relaxation ranges. VERYARK's Concert CL is the only commercial closed-loop product for both sedation and muscle relaxation in the world, and it also offers a compact, convenient, and user-friendly workstation for anesthesiologists inside the operating theater. Concert CL brings us to the next step of balanced anesthesia and brings harmony to the way anesthesiologists are using anesthetic drugs.
I have been using Concert CL for this last month. I find it very compact, very user-friendly in the OR. I think that with such a device like Concert CL, an anesthesiologist may reach what he wants, the effect, and maintain this effect during all the case.